Hello guys, today we're going to try to change the CV joint on my Toyota Corolla Verso. Let's see how that goes. First we need to remove this big nut, 30mm, and you need a long wrench. Oh. I did cheat, I have already loosened it. But you need a long arm and you have to stand on it to make it come loose. I have now removed the 2-bolt, the big cluster nut, and the axle is now, well, particle free. I have now taken the angle grinder and cut up every sleeve here. Remove each ball. Then this one will fall off. And you can access this split ring which is on the outside of the axle. So now you just need to remove the star. Here you can see the pieces I have cut out from the star, or from the cage, and remove one by one ball. Then was able to get the star out. And here there are some more pieces. More. It's just crap. Okay, let's get rid of this. Then everything is free. And should look like this. We need to remove the old boot. And then is the big question. Will the new one fit? Yeah, I think so. Then this split washer or a split ring included in the kit, which is supposed to fit. Let's see if you can see this. There we go. This one's supposed to go here. There we go. Let's go in place. To fasten the, what do you call it, clamp or something, you need this special plier for this, I think it's called click R, like this. And then it should look like this when you are done. And then it's only to reassemble everything, which should be a piece of cake really. Final touch. Knocking and locking. Knocking and locking, yeah. You need a big screwdriver to knock a notch, so you lock the nut. That should do it. So that's all. Then we can take a test run and see if everything is okay. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.